And think about this one too. 1 minute of deep belly laughter. How many people first and foremost know what deep belly laughter is? Okay, because with a group of adults, you never know. You have to ask. All right, deep belly laughter, because some of you are looking at me like, huh? It's when you're doubled over and you're laughing so hard that you almost feel like you get cramps. And when you're done laughing because you laugh so hard, you almost feel exhausted. You feel spent. And it feels good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, it feels so good. Guess what? There's a reason why it feels so good when you think about what's happening in the body. 1 minute of deep belly laughter is the equivalent of a 10-minute physical activity. Running, biking, it's the equivalent of 10 minutes. 1 minute of deep belly laughter is the equivalent of some cardiovascular activity. I don't know about you all, but I'd rather be laughing than running.